What's up, guys? What is up, guys? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Where's that Kyle doofus from my comments? Where is everyone? What's up, Sevi? Sevi? I know you're an OG. Love you, bro. What's up, Dean? I know a lot of you guys can't tell, but it's 4.67 Bitcoin, which is like $120,000. We got one very important thing on our mind right now, and that is USDT dominance. But we're about to have people join. No sound. It's weird. Let's see. Bam. Let me know if you can hear me now. What's up, guys? Let me know if you guys can hear me. But guys, we're up over $130,000 right now on this trade. It's an awesome trade. One second, guys. Okay. Yeah, it seems like it's internet issues, so. Alright, guys, give me 1 second, and we'll get rocking and rolling here. One second, guys. Alright, things are looking good, it seems. Let's see here. Look, analysis was correct. We did break out from the CPI. Continuous improvement. We did not sell. We held. We did not chicken out of the trade. Like last time when I chickened out right here. I took my $130,000 in profit and ran. Not today, bro. Not today. We are currently up. This account at the very beginning of this week when I loaded it up was 30K. And this account's now at 156K. We have 4,400 on this account. And we've got 21 Litecoin is, how much money is that? Like only 1,600, but then it's also holding spot. So this is around another, I don't know, 3 to 4, probably 4,000, I think. And then we made $14,000 like what, 2 days ago. Remember, we locked it in on the initial pump. So you add that all up together, guys, that's like 170K in profit just from leverage positions here. This is not spot holdings like what I hold for the long term, because as you guys know, called the bottom at 16K, and I told you guys how damn bullish I was. So I hold a lot of spot as well, hold a lot of NFTs. So let's just say we're up quite a bit this week. So it's a good week. So this is 30K to 156K is one of my better weeks from a account multiplying perspective of, that's like a 5x account in 2 days. But that's kind of my risk management strategy, right, guys? Is you won't see me trading with 150K next week, you know? You won't see that because I will withdraw my profit and I'll reset myself back down. That's how I do it, okay? Because as you guys know, what happens to most people is you guys say you're going to risk manage. You guys say you're going to only risk 1% of your account, or at least that's what everyone tells you, right? Like, oh, risk 1% of your account. But the truth is, like, eventually you're going to step out of line, and so you're going to go from 1%, you're going to double down, you're going to go to 2%. You're going to be shorting, you know, like, let's say you were shorting Bitcoin right here, which some people were doing, right? So you're shorting, and then you're going to average in, you're going to be stubborn, you're going to double down, triple down, quadruple down, right? And 2% goes into 4% of your account, 8%. But bro, before you know it, you got 100% of your account at risk because you shorted some shit coin too early with a tiny low market cap, and this shit is going like this, and you are shorting down there. And before you know it, you lose all your money, right? Because you said you were going to only risk 1% of your account, then you start risking 2, 4, 8, 10, and it's just, you know, it's very hard for people to be disciplined and actually stick to their rules, right? And so that's why I don't allow myself to keep a large amount of my account, because whatever is in your trading account can be lost. So if I put 1 mil in my trading account, guess what? I have the possibility to lose that 1 mil. But guess what? I can't lose a mil if it's not on my trading account, right? So basically, I just put an amount in my trading account that you're ready to lose 100% of, right? And then my philosophy is very simple. It's that, look, guys, 8 out of 10 weeks, I'm going to profit, right? Around 8 out of 10 weeks, 80% of the time, I'm going to profit. But 2 of those weeks, I'm going to blow it, right? I will blow 30K into zero, for example, right? So 30K to zero, that'll happen like 2 out of 10 weeks, right? It'll be bad trade, shitty market. And so you'll blow it 2 weeks, but the other 8 weeks you're going to profit, right? So for example, I'm going to take 30K to 156, 30K to 50, 30K to 60K, 30K to 43K, 30K to 70K. In all those weeks that you profit, those 8 weeks are going to blow out the 2 weeks where you blow it, right? So there's nothing wrong with blowing it, right? It's just do it from a static base. Okay, this way your returns, you know, what happens to a lot of people, guys, is you make a bunch of money on this pump, right? You make, like, let's say you make 400%. You make 400%, guys, and then you guys go and lose it all on a negative, you know, you make 400% and you lose it all on, you know, minus 75%, right? But the thing is, you extracted so much more value out of the market than the market extracted out of you, right? So here, you extracted 400% out of the market, and all the market has what happens to most people. So you end up playing an uphill battle where you're making 400%, giving it all back on 75%, and you wonder why it's so hard to be profitable, because you're making these gains, but then you're giving it back on such little losses in percentage terms that actually end up being bigger than your big wins. So this is what happens to 99% of people, and that's why you always see me, guys, resetting my account back down to like 30K, 20K, or 10K. I try to start from a static base and then work up from there, so that way I have, you know, if you have a static base, right, that is your fixed, what is it called, you know, variable. And when you have a fixed variable and you multiply it by X, you are going to get returns based off of the fixed variable. But if you don't have fixed variable, right? If you go in some weeks with 30K and some weeks you go in with 100K and you multiply it by X, right? For example, negative 75% is X. Here, well, this week you're going to lose 75K, and this week you're going to lose, you know, 24K. And so the point is, right, when you don't have similar results, I guess, or I mean, I feel like you kind of understand what I'm saying, but it's just, it's not fair, guys. If you go and turn 30K to 150K, and then you go put a 100K position on, and it's just, I don't know how to explain it. So hopefully it's making some sense. And dude, I have a feeling that my internet's not working because we only have 36 people viewing right now, which sucks. Can anyone hear me? I hope you guys could hear me. This is the key chart right here, guys. As we start approaching down here, right? This is where we're very likely to get a bounce in USDT dominance and a drop in Bitcoin. Thank you, Slip. Damn. I hope you guys didn't miss my explanation of like the risk management. Hopefully you guys didn't miss it. But if not, guys, I have the entire risk management course. It's only 2 hours, really. It breaks it all down in great detail. So I will highly recommend that, because this is the most important time, guys. When you make a lot of money, the first thing you want to do is go give it back, man. And you torture yourself with it, really. So it's the number one thing that you can learn is how to trade after big wins. It's like you gotta have your risk management and